Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the electricity billing system using Python. So let's enter the username and password, then confirm password. Do you want to continue? Yes. And then you have to enter your choice 2, enter your username new, and enter your password 123. Now this is the complete menu bar. So you can enter their choice, and with account number enter your MetaBox ID and enter your bank name. So this is completely Python based project. Just enter bank branch, enter a name, enter your address, pin code, phone number, email ID. Okay, do you want to continue? Yes. So these are the account setting, transaction view, customer details, graphical presentation, exit. So you can enter your account number. You can just copy and paste here. Okay, and it will show the complete details like we have entered earlier. Do you want to continue? Yes. Enter your choice. Now check for the transaction. The second option we have selected, and you have to enter your account number. So it will give the complete details. Do you want to continue? Yes. So from menu bar you can enter your choice. Second, these are the you have already paid the bill, and this is the account number. And the fourth option is enter your choice. Invalid choice. Do you want to try again? Yes. Now you can enter your choice. Second, existing user. Now enter your username, password. Now I'm just going for the graphical representation graph. Fourth option. Do you want to continue? Yes. No. Okay. Enter your choice. Third. So it will show the complete detail. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.